Hello, in this video I'm gonna help you fix your forehand topspin just with one simple drill, the simplest one ever. And I'm gonna explain this just before I wanna say the right technique for this. So basically, when you hit and when you wanna generate more topspin, you really need to understand that the power comes from the legs. So you cannot just use your wrist or use the technique. You really need to be comfortable on your legs with the right stance. But this video is not about that. This video is just about the motion. And what I want to give you before the drill is to explain that if you want to generate more topspin and a topspin that works even with low and super low balls, is to do the technique like Wawrinka does, like I do a lot. That is, instead of answering the phone, imagining you answering the phone, in the end doing this technique and catching the racket from this side, to catch the racket from the inside and a little bit lower with the elbow up. This technique is gonna help you generate maximum topspin, and this drill that I'm gonna give you now, it will help you to work on this, and is a progression or the first drill that you can do to then reach this position. Basically, you just need to feed the balls yourself, and when you hit the ball, you're gonna hit and you're gonna stop the racket here with your hand, and you can see even in this video that the sound of the ball is already with topspin. You will see. Okay, I will show you one more time. Yeah, that ball, you listen to topspin. I can get closer. Okay, and one more, and here you notice that more relaxed you are, more topspin, as you will see. And then you just hold the racket here, and after that you can start to use your normal technique. And if you do this, you will improve drastically your forehand. You will see a huge difference. You start to listen to topspin. Just remember to do this, you really need the semi-western grip, as I always mention. My grip size is smaller than standard, but this is the right grip. If you do the grip, if you do this technique, you will never miss ever again low balls, or at least you will miss way less balls. It's really difficult to miss. Another tip, if the ball is too low, instead of doing this technique, you can always do like Nadal, going up with your elbow, and you solve all your problems. This is the video I wish I had when I was a kid, so I'm gonna give you this away for free to you. I hope you enjoy, I hope to see your feedback here, and I hope you play better tennis. See you in the next video. Bye bye.